mission from Mr.X Day 8 The most challenging mission 今日はこれまでで最強最難の問題になっています。 Are you ready to challenge? Let's start! Question: What kind of stores are these? What kind of stores are these? 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. This is a flag of Sierra Leone. All right. If you know the answer, don't forget to write your answer in your crossword puzzle. Today is a very long word. Okay. If you need a hint, please continue this video.If you don't need any hint, you can stop the video here. この後にヒントが続きます。ヒントが聞きたい人はこのまま動画を続けてください。Hint: How many 11s are there? How many 11s are there? And this is what a Sierra Leone flag looks like.This is the Sierra Leone flag. So, what kind of stores are these?
So difficult! 難しい!
Alright! この謎解きシリーズと連動したクイズブックは希望される皆さんにプレゼントしています。クイズブックのゲット方法はこの動画の概要欄にありますので、ぜひ見てみてください。Alright, so thank you very much everyone for joining all the missions. The 8 missions from Mr.X is completed. 8つのミッション、これで無事に終了です。I will give you the answers in the next video. 次の動画で答え合わせやっていきますよ。Alright, I hope to see you in the next one. See you. Bye! 2024年もよろしくお願いします。